Hey guys, so what I want to do today is go over the Simple Solutions kit. So with the Simple Solutions kit this is one of the enrollment boxes that you get from doTERRA, and this is probably one of my favorite enrollment kits to start with, just because it is the most cost-effective one, as well as it includes your enrollment fee. So that way you are not paying that additional $35, and it comes with some of my favorite oils as well as a rub, and it comes with some extra add-ons that I add into your package that you get as like a little extra bonus. So what actually comes in the Simple Solutions kit? So when you open it up, it comes in like a beautiful box. You get 3 oils as well as the deep blue rub with that. And then it also has this little card. So it gives you basically a little Simple Solutions card going through each of the oils. So let's start with the deep blue rub. So this rub that it comes with is a cream-based version. There is also an oil-based version, but I find that a lot of people prefer the cream because it's easy to apply. You can put it on anytime. It's not greasy at all, and it's so easy to absorb into your skin, and it's very effective. So anyone that has those aches or pains, either after a really good workout, if you're looking for something to help soothe those sore muscles, this is a great one to either rub in before your workout or even after your workout. Just one thing to be cautious is because these oils are so potent, one thing is if you are wanting to amplify the effect of an essential oil or a rub, use it when your pores are more open. So like after a shower or before going into like a steam or something. And that way you'll get like that super extra tingly effect with the deep blue rub. However, if you are more, if your skin is very sensitive or you are prone to like redness or anything, I would definitely wait until you're done your shower, wait until your pores have closed off. So like 30 minutes or so after your shower, so that way your pores aren't open. At that point, I would apply it. Also, you can do it before your workout, so before your body starts getting sweaty, so that way your body has enough time to absorb it and use it really well. And that comes in that rub lotion. Any of you guys that are chiropractors or physiotherapists or massage therapists, this also comes into, I think it is like a large, I think it's like a liter, maybe a couple liter pump that it comes in, that is even more cost effective, that you guys can use on your clients and your patients. And this is like a great release for muscle tension as well, rubbing on the backs of your shoulders, on your knees, on your legs, your calf muscles, lower back. This is a great one to use. As well as I have known a lot of people that have had arthritis. They use it as a great support to help with helping to soothe those joints and pains, as well as if you're having any difficulty sleeping at night due to sore muscles or leg cramps or anything. This is a great one to be using. If you are experiencing leg cramps, I would definitely recommend adding in some magnesium with this as well, and then rubbing that across your legs and your calves. This is a great support. So this is the first of the 4 items that come in that Simple Solutions kit. The next one is the lemon essential oil. So this is my absolute favorite, one of my top favorites. I have so many favorites of all the oils, but this is one of the ones that is my go-to. I use this on a daily basis. I will either add it into my water for drinking. With little kids, there are always sticky surfaces in the house. This is a great way to just add a drop or two to your scrub cloth or anything, and any of that stickiness, if you have like tape or anything that has been stuck on a surface for a while, this is great to either just add a drop neat, let it sit for a minute, and you can scrape it off, and it works beautifully. I also use this on my whiteboards when my kids use markers that shouldn't be used on them. This was a great way to get rid of all the permanent marker that was on there. Great for your walls as well too, if your kids are coloring on them, and they shouldn't be. But otherwise, it is great as like a cleaner, using as well topically. It is a very refreshing aroma. As you guys know, lemons, limes, citrus oils are all beautiful. So one of my favorites. This is also great to be diffusing if you're looking for a fresh citrusy aroma. Mix it with either like peppermint or lavender, so that way you're getting that uplifting as well as some of the calming aromas at the same time. So this is one of my go-tos. And if you ever have any doubts about it, always read the label on the bottle. So it'll tell you for internal use, dilute 1 drop in 4 fluid ounces of liquid. So I usually do like a huge 32-ounce glass that I'll fill up a couple times throughout the day. I'll add in a couple drops and just kind of keep sipping that. And I usually rotate between like lemon or lime or wild orange or mandarin, tangerine, any of the citruses. Those are always amazing to be adding in. So that is the next one that's in there. The second one, or sorry, the third one that comes in, the second oil is Serenity. So for any of you guys that haven't tried Serenity, it is an amazing blend. It has some lavender in it, as well as it has amazing linalool content, so that calming sedative property. Any of you guys, this is perfect for all ages, all the way from like little babies up until senior citizens. Just make sure you do dilute it in the right concentration, because of the fact that all of these blends that doTERRA has, I would say probably 95% of them are not diluted. And Serenity, if you do love this oil, doTERRA also has soft gels. So like instead of taking melatonin or something, you might as well use something that is amazing, plant-based, and is great to assist you and support you for a good restful night of sleep. Because I know a lot of people that have taken melatonin before, what they found is that even though they might get a restful night of sleep, they find that they're still groggy or kind of drowsy or out of it the next day. Whereas with the Serenity soft gels, this is not the case. So I definitely recommend trying that. You can always just diffuse this in your room to start with and see how that works. If you need that extra added kick, the Serenity soft gels are a great add-on to add. And that's where, when you do start with the Simple Solutions kit, you can always add on other oils or other products onto it to get still that 25% discount that you would be getting with your membership. And that's like a great way to kind of customize your kit to start with as well. So the last, and my absolute, it is one of my favorites. It's probably the most oil that I use the most, but it may not be my most aromatically favorite. I've got a few new ones that have been coming up, but On Guard. So this is where it is an amazing blend to support you for your immune system, your respiratory system. What I find is with this one, it's great. Like when my kids have runny noses, what I like to do is either rub it on their back or dilute it behind their ears, or even just like a little bit just directly under their nose, like diluted, and it automatically dries up that snot. So it really helps. What I'm finding with my children is their runny noses. This is a great support for that. Also, like if my kids are ever sick or have fevers and stuff, I use this as an amazing support for them, where I'll roll it onto their backs diluted or onto the bottom of their feet. And now that they're older and that I know that they're not going to be touching their hands everywhere and then putting them in their mouths, I'll even do it on their chest, like if I need to give it like that extra boost. So that's where it's really good for that, as well as if we know that they're in school or they're around other kids that are having coughs and colds. This is an oil that we will diffuse regularly in the house, especially as the seasons are changing, or if we're traveling. We'll take this with our pilot diffuser, the little portable one that gets charged by the USB. We'll take that one and add a couple drops with this and then just diffuse it by our bedside table in the hotel, and it's like perfect and really convenient. So this is one that I always travel with. They also do like an On Guard hand sanitizer, On Guard toothpaste, mouthwash, so many amazing products, On Guard cleaning concentrate, and those ones are really good. I make my own soap with like a foaming hand wash with the On Guard essential oil. I use this to clean and mop my floors. I use this for dishwashing liquids and stuff. So basically all the different DIYs that you'll also find on the channel, where you'll be able to get an amazing benefit of all the different information and all the different knowledge that we have to share with you. So this is my absolute multi-purpose oil that I use, which is the On Guard. So this is one of the go-tos. So now on to the added bonuses, I guess, that you get with the membership. So you get your product guide. This contains like everything else that doTERRA has for you to offer you, all the different products in it and the pricing. So this is what you'll get with that. And then in addition, I also give you this essential oil guide. And this is basically an amazing guide where it comes with information. It has like your different intro to oils. It also gives you your recommended oil usages and dilution ratios. So for example, if you're going to be doing 10 ml roller bottles, or if you're going to be just doing single uses directly from the essential oil bottle, from the 15 ml bottle, it will give you all those dilution ratios, and it'll tell you based off of from 0 to 12 months the ratios, 1 to 5 years, 6 to 11 years, 12 plus years, and then again the elderly, because you have to remember that the older you get, the more sensitive your skin kind of gets because of the thinner that it gets. So it goes over all the different safety, all the different oils, each and every essential oil that is there, the blends that are there, as well as over 200 different types of ailments that are there that you can basically see, okay, if I have a cough, you can use your respiratory blend, lemon, rosemary, and cardamom. So it gives you all different types of supports, as well as it has a few different DIY recipes that you can refer back to, a couple different holiday diffuser blends, as well as back to school diffuser blends, and a little space for you guys to write in your daily protocols, because it's always nice for you guys to set a routine for yourself. Once you start getting your oils, sometimes it can be overwhelming depending on how many oils you've started with. So this way you can basically just write it down, saying morning, afternoon, evening, this is the protocol that I'm going to be using for myself. This is the protocol that I might be using for my kids. And that way it's all kind of laid out. And that's where after you've started with oils, you always get a welcome call from myself or whoever has enrolled you, and they will kind of walk you through your oils to get you started and get you on that daily protocol plan. So again, if you guys have any questions at all, my contact information is below. If you want to get started with the Simple Solutions Kit, I will also link that below. And that is available worldwide, no matter where you are in the world. Just let me know and I will help you get that set up. As well as I had mentioned earlier, you are more than welcome to add on additional oils onto this kit. This is probably one of my favorite ones, just because it has like quite a few different options, as well as it covers pretty much all the bases. And then I like to always add on a diffuser. So if you don't have a diffuser or anything yet, definitely add that on. The Pilot diffuser is my absolute favorite, as well as the newest one, the Rome one is nice. I haven't gotten that one yet, but I have seen that it is amazing. It's always nice, especially when you have little kids, to not have the wires all around. So that way you can always have like the base station in your bedroom, and then during the daytime you can always put it like remotely wirelessly on your kitchen counter, on your island, in the living room, different areas, because when you have little ones, they're always pulling wires, they're always touching things. So all of these portable ones are amazing, and they're still as effective. So with like the Pilot one, that one we also use in the car as like a car diffuser. It uses very little water and it keeps on going. It's like the Energizer Bunny, so just keeps going. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Every Monday there will be DIYs or different educational videos kind of going through different oils. If you have a specific oil that you have a question about or that you're not sure as to how you use it, comment below and we will integrate that into one of our upcoming videos or do a quick live about it to help you get that education that you're looking for. So please keep in touch, communicate with us, and join the Heal community. Bye.